See here, yeah, we are in the Tomcat website, and here we found Tomcat 9, 10, and 8. So I'm in the 9, Tomcat 9. It is loading. So go down here. I can see there are some files like core zip file, tar file, Windows, whatever 64-bit and all. So here I am going to take a link of binary distributions, and it is a tar zip file which I'm trying to take. So I try to copy, and then I'm trying to see the file. See, I just pasted the recent one. So let us take this and then try to paste it here. Yeah, see, this link is working. So what is the difference between this and this? If you find closely, Apache Tomcat 9 version 0.62, this is 6.4 and this is 6.2. So that link has been expired. So we are working with 9.0.64. Okay, yeah, we have a 6.4 zip file, and we are going to use the command. Please note one point is very important. We are doing for 6.4, not 6.2. What is it saying? So Apache Tomcat zip cannot search a file, no directory. Okay, so we'll do in this way. Just copy this and then tar xzvf and then paste it for not getting any errors. See, it's been extracted and configured and downloaded. We have did till here. Now we are going to give them executable permissions. How to give to the executable permissions? We are supposed to go to the opt and then 9.0.64 and then to the bin directory. Let us go. Yes, we went, and there we are going to the bin directory. Yes, we are into the bin directory, and then we are going to give the executable permissions to the .sh. We gave that, and then we are creating a soft link, and we are just trying to check it out. Yeah, what is it saying? Okay, we did a mistake here. It's not 0.62, it is 0.64. See, it's working fine. So now we are going to create a soft link for start Tomcat and stop Tomcat. We need to give the correct versions, and then we're also creating the Tomcat stop Tomcat soft link. So start Tomcat means it starts the Tomcat server, and stop Tomcat means it stops the Tomcat service. So we already created it. So let us see by gripping the Tomcat, is it responding or not? See, it is responding. We can find a lot of Tomcats. Yes, and we can also use this to check it out. Yeah, so it is working fine here. These are the extra syntaxes where we can use now. So this is the file where we can change the port number. Let us first check it out whether the default port number is 9080. So let us check it out, is it working or not. So for that we are supposed to go to the instance, copy the public address and paste it, and then 9080. See, is it working? It is not even responding. What would be the reason? It's a very simple reason. You are supposed to open the ports. See, it's not responding. So let us go here, go to the security groups, edit inbound rules. we are going to add all TCP, yes, and also for the time being we are going to add all traffic, which is not recommended, but for the practice sessions we are doing this. See, we have opened the port. Let us find out whether it is working or not. Open a new incognito tab. Oh, I'm supposed to see what is the mistake we did. We have configured, we have opened the port, but still we are unable to get the Tomcat server. So then we are supposed to start the Tomcat. See, now we have started the Tomcat. Now check it out. Yeah. So there is a slight mistake. The default port number is not 1980, it is 8080. So I was just confused. So I'm just changing it. Okay, see, this is the default from to I was just mistaken. So that is the reason. See, it is opening perfectly. So the default port number for Apache is 1880. I'm just updating for users perspective. Yeah. See, we have started this and we can also check here. Let us go to this. Let us change the port number from 8080 to 9080. 69. So I'm in the 69. Yes, here I can see the port number. I wanted to give it to 1980. I have saved it, and then after saving I'm just stopping the Tomcat and then starting the Tomcat, because it reloads all the configurations. Now if you just reload, the site will not respond because the port number has been changed. So I'm giving 1980. So it is opening. Yeah. So next, now Tomcat directory structure configuration. Now we are going to do certain changes in the Tomcat directory structure. For that, we are supposed to go to the OPT directory, Apache Tomcat version, whichever version you have installed, and then web apps, and in that manager meta inf context.xml. So let us go exactly to that file. See, I'm here supposed to change. Yeah, see, here I am supposed to make this comment valve class name. So it is here Yeah, I'm trying to comment it. Use insert button. See, it is being commented and I'm just saving it. So this is done, and then now I'm giving the some credentials and access to the Tomcat Manager login. See, now we are going to the conf tomcat users.xml. Here I'm supposed to add username Sarveskha and password as password and the roles for manager and admin GUI. Let us add. See, I can add here wherever required. So I'm just trying to add here, just here. See, I just added the user as user surname, Sarveskha password and so and so. Just saved it. So this is for Tomcat Manager login. Let us check it out. Is it working or not? So manager, see, I'm able to get a pop-up and I gave my password as password and I tried to log in. So it has logged in successfully, right? See, now if I try to log in on the host manager, it is not yet configured. So it is saying 403 access denied. Let us also configure host manager. The same way we go. The difference is this. Earlier for manager, we went to the conf directory tomcat use.xml. For this, we are supposed to go to web apps, host manager, meta inf, and then context xml. Okay, these both are for the manager login. So I'm just commenting this also. I saved it, and then I'm supposed to go to the host manager login. Okay, so there is one thing which is missed in our blog. Let us go to the Tomcat. Okay, so let us go here. Host manager. See, I'm also able to log into the host manager. So what exactly we did is, I'll explain you. So we have configured the managers configuration, and then we also configure the host manager configuration, and here we give manager GUI as well as admin GUI. So we have configured both, and with the help of this user and password we are able to log into the manager login as well as host manager login. Okay, so that is the explanation for that. So we are able to do it. So let us now try to build an application getting from the GitHub and then deploy into the Maven, and then going from there to deploy that war file to the Tomcat server. Let us check it out. So now I am going to the GitHub. Mm. So I'm in the master branch. There are n number of projects here. So I'm supposed to go to the repositories. So here I wanted to git clone this Maven web application project. For that, I am supposed to copy the HTTPS link. I have copied it, and then I'm just clearing the screen and I'm installing the Git. So Git has been installed successfully, and I'm changing the directory to opt, and then git clone is the command to clone the project from the GitHub, and we are cloning the project. Let us see, did we get? Yeah, we got the project called Maven web application. Now I'm going to the Maven web application. Yes, now I'm going to give a command called Maven clean package, which actually builds the Java projects. So now I'm building the Java project where we are supposed to get a target folder. See, it is downloading from the central repository, and then it is going to build this Java application into a target folder called .var file extension. So whenever we enter, suppose this Maven clean package syntax, we are supposed to give it in the project folder. So the project folder is Maven web application, and we have given the syntax called Maven clean package in that respective folder. So let us wait for this. It will take a little time. Yeah, we have finished it. Let us find out. See, here we can see target folder. Let us go to the target folder. Here we can see a file called maven web application.var. So to deploy the code into the server, we need a .var file to the Tomcat. So now I am copying this maven web application.var file to the temp directory as well. So I'm trying to copy this to the temp directory. So I copied it. I went into the temp directory and I see, yes, that one is copied. So now let's go to the Tomcat server and try to deploy this var file which is in the temp directory. So I'm trying to log in. I logged in here. So here I am going to give the context path context path is nothing but the URL after we will be giving this, and this is the directory path for the war file. So slash temp and then forward slash maven web application dot var, and the context path is Sarveskha. You can give any name. So I'm trying to show this Tomcat server going to fetch the maven web application dot var file which is in the temp directory, and it is going to show the output in the slash Sarveskha context path. Let us deploy it. See, it is deployed as, yeah. If I click here, see if you find this, after the IP address, after the port number, we got a Sarveskha context path. There we can see the required code has been shown outside, right? So this is how you deploy the projects in the Tomcat server. So our next video is going to be about the installations in SonarQube and Nexus and the projects. Thank you. We'll meet you in the second video.